and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be making a gluten-free, no-flour pumpkin pancake with cranberry sauce topped with a pumpkin spice maple whipped cream. So let me show you how it's done. So first you take 1 cup of oatmeal. Now this can be instant oatmeal or the old-fashioned. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it in a blender or whatever device you need to grind it into a powder. All right. Now once you grind that, that's going to be kind of like your flour. All right, so we're going to take that and we're going to mix it with a teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, and then we're going to mix those dry ingredients together. All right, now once those are well blended, we're going to start adding our wet ingredients. So that would be 1 cup of pumpkin puree. All right, this could be like leftover baked pumpkin, or if you have canned pumpkin, which that's what I use, canned pumpkin, you can use that. All right, now along with that, I'm going to add 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. And then a tablespoon of melted butter. I'm always making sure to get every last drop out of my pans and cups and such. Now we want to blend those together until everything is incorporated. Like so. All right, now you want to warm a skillet, just a little bit of oil or a nonstick skillet. And we're going to place the batter in there, like, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the batter goes in per pancake. And you're going to want to smooth it out because this is not going to pour like a regular pancake batter. But you just kind of smooth it out into a pancake shape, like so. All right, and then you cook it for a couple minutes on each side. And I have it on low, and so it has time to cook all the way through. All right, so we flip it. So it took about 2 to 2.5 minutes per side. All right. All right, so there are all my pancakes completed. So now I'm going to top it with some cranberry sauce that I warmed up a little bit. All right, so there we go. All right, making sure it's perfect. And then I'm going to top it with my pumpkin spice maple whipped cream. It was so yummy. All right, so there you have it. The gluten-free, no-flour pumpkin pancakes with cranberry sauce topped with a pumpkin spice maple whipped cream. Doesn't that look good? Well, thank you for coming by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, stick around and watch more of my videos. All right, thank you for stopping by. Take care and be safe out there.